How to fix WhatsApp image not shown in gallery? Follow this guide. To begin with, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Then click on the three vertical dots at the top right corner. From there, choose Settings. Afterwards, scroll down and select Storage and Data. At this point, move down until you find the Media Auto Download section. Here you will notice the three options. Now one by one, open each of the options and choose Photos and hit OK to confirm. This ensures that the photos are downloaded automatically. Once finished, return to the main settings and click on Chats. In this section, look for Media Visibility and simply turn on the switch. This will make sure your WhatsApp images show up in your phone gallery again. And that's it. I hope this video helped.